Install the adjustment block into the window slot. Repeat lower hinge to 90 degrees and fix it on the sash. Adjust the hinges and adjustment blocks to the correct position, then tighten the screws. Adjust the hinges and adjustment blocks to the correct position, then tighten the screws. Press the positioning fixture tightly against the sash edge. Tighten the shear screw. Pull the positioning fixture downward. Install the frame and sash. Fix and install into the lower hinge. Tighten the lower hinge screw. Fix and install into the upper hinge. Tighten the upper hinge screw. Install the inward tilt lock rod, aluminum drive rod, and corner connector in sequence. Adjust the drive box to the middle position. The anti-pull angled plate faces the handle. Adjust the drive box to the middle position. The anti-pull angled plate faces the handle. The angled edge and notch of the handle lock seat face the glass. Tighten the lock seat screw. When installing the handle, ensure it faces downward. Tighten the selector nut on the side of the lockbox. Rotate the handle to the open position. Install the climbing block into the opening of the sash corner at the 1 to 3 mm position. Position the anti-lip lock seat, then fix its position. Install the support seat and anti-lip lock seat. Adjust the upper part of the sash left and right. Adjust the lower part of the sash upward, left, and right. Adjust the sealing of the corner connector. Adjust the sealing of the inward tilt lock rod. Adjust the sealing of the upper hinge. Check the performance of the entire window.